When did you meet Spice in all of this here?
All right, me and Spice left for go up on one show. Them time I shan cattle have a song Ramping Shop. The show the name Ramping Court.
Okay.
We up in one country at Trinidad. And at this time, me and I go there build the vibes and mash up the stage show. Me and I alone in concert. And mash up the whole of the beach. When I see the beach ram out and swallow out. Me and I kick it away. And from this, we say, so we have to come back and do something. And then we come back and come do the Fluffy and Slimmy song. And that was the rest of history. Fat girl versus Slim girl. You know, me was the thick one. Yeah. She was the little skinny one.
How did you guys even come up with that song? They say, okay, this is how we're going to do it.
All right, a friend of mine called me. And them did I put it together and think I'm a call her. But when we come, we just like the chorus. We never like the verse. So we sat there and fixed the verse and think. But the chorus did already did it. But the verse never. Because we want for two bad girls come, we can't come soft. We can't come soft. We have to come just like how them ball for the next collab. But I just got on time with that collab there. Because we not come soft neither. We can't have no wait so long and come with foolishness with baby nursery rhymes. We want something as it goes a boom. The place goes a bam.
Yeah.
So I just got on time.
So it was really that song there, the Slimmy versus Fluffy, is what really connected you guys, has solidified you guys' relationship, friendship right there.
Yes.
And you guys started to tour together at that time there?
Yeah, man. Then we don't come to Canada much in time to, man. Come Fat Girl versus Slim Girl, man. Remember, say she can't put up 4 foot and spit and them things there. Don't want me just for Fat Girl, I stay on a bum flick. The whole place at you up, I'm just stay and start jerk and chimble problem, boy, man.
I think I seen you guys on
a whole heap of Jamboree, Island Explosion, all of the big show them.
Yeah.
Me and I tear them down.
You were in a yellow suit, I think it was.
With beer glass on it. And Shabba
left of the stage to the right of the stage.
Bum flick all over.
Boss.
Right there, so.
What kind of advice has Spice given you? Because one thing I know, I see a lot of people always saying, how come you didn't get the collabo yet? Spice is doing this, you're not doing this. What kind of advice has Spice really given you? Say, yo, this is how you work your thing right here.
All right, Spice always tell me, say, no matter what nobody wants, say, focus on what you are doing and keep yourself current in the business. You understand? She always tell me, keep yourself current. Don't make it left you. Now hype yourself out of the business. Don't make it left you. Just keep yourself current. Say some things, do some things. Yeah. If you have to step on toe, finger, anything, and keep moving. Make sure your name a call. Right through.
Because I could see you guys are very good friends. You guys, you're loyal to the thing because I know.
Yeah, because a lot of people come and them say a bag of things and all of that. Remember saying, me and this woman share a whole heap of things together. I never really hear nobody with it. So sometimes, I that enough people, them not pick sense out of nonsense more while them just listen where that person say, remember, me and you can have a good relationship and true you and she not have a good relationship. Then she want me and you if you don't have a good relationship. So she'll come say, yeah, idiot, this, that, rare, but at the end of the day, you have to look into yourself and say, well, bad to bad. Me and him never have no problem. And me and him discuss this, me and him do this, and me never hear it back yet. Him give me this and me give him this and me never hear it back yet. So sometimes you have to, cause why you want to mash up a friendship because with somebody. So remember, so we spend Christmas together, we eat Christmas dinner together, we go out with family, with one another together, and we spend time with, we spend whole heap of little time. So we don't really going to set you a one, reach at a level there, whatever, me I go say them to do this for me. But nobody not obligate it to nobody. Cause remember say death steal my mother away from me and she gone and I have to live and accept that, You understand what I say? So certain things me not put on my mind and me not put on practice. Me just work on where me want and where me want to go. And where me need to go.
What gave you such a positive outlook on life?
The things that everyday living them when I go through. It keep me to the day. Yeah. The people them when I go around, the family members them, where do the things them where like the friend them, the relationship, your neighbor, everybody, everything, the everyday living. It keeps me going and never stop. Me nah come vex me say, she not give me nothing, him not give me nothing. No, me try for work and have my things when me want. If you want give me, give me. If you don't want give me, it's your business. Me not really business. Yeah. And if you give me, I appreciate it and I won't be ungrateful. I mean, nah make choose say me help you and you dish me dirt, me nah help the next one. No, me not get my blessing from man. And God me get my blessing from. Cause right now me there I know I'm leave my kids them. Something can't happen. Me no know. I'm not love if somebody could have helped them. You understand what I say? So me no really look pan where who do me or whatever. Me no look pan where you have, not because you maybe them one spot you have that, me nah go give you this. You understand me? I say no, me no roll so. Cause warfare for feel. And when your blessing a come, it come.
You get it.
I don't know, everybody get them blessings same time. Some get them blessing before some. But some people sit down and watch me and your blessing and make for them wanna pass them, catch them too fast. Them not penetrate with them one.
Yeah. They're too busy looking at yours.
Yes, and I criticize and I find problem and I make
theirs
problem and
went
mystery.
down the road.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then the seats. And then them cuss God and say, you, what are we help Pamputtae, you know, help me. God, when me do you? And then tell the God, not do you nothing, you know. God, I help you, you know, but through you're busy, you're fast, now there's a people business. You don't see your blessing. Pass you.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.